Alright guys, roll to 1 million, episode number 14 here. So this is the week after. I haven't uploaded a video in about like a week. Since everyone was scared that the economy was gonna collapse or whatever. I didn't sell anything. I told you guys that they're gonna do that, they're gonna try and shake you out of your position, scaring you, and usually soon after horrible news or they try to scare you, you'll reach highs. So Palantir over the past week, it's gone up 25%. It's reaching new highs, so that's good. Salesforce over the past week, it's gone up 5%. Made a little rebound too. Lululemon, even Lululemon has at the end of the day, Lululemon is still down 23%, but who knows what's gonna happen. SNDL is it's not really a big position of mine. It's really only $6, so I'm not gonna waste your time. But yeah, my SNDL call is still down 50%. I must have just bought it at a horrible time. And theta decay is just killing me faster than the price change is helping. So yeah, even though at certain times I'm positive, like for a split second, I don't really know how it works. Yeah, that's just the update. Hopefully you guys didn't sell. And yeah, let's see how this new week brings us. Peace.